Radical Ingenuity Group, your consulting and simplification partner. The global hazardous location products and systems market. This short video will give a quick overview of the EX global market. The requirements constantly evolve, but schemes are based on a general framework. The macro view of the requirements is that you will need one, or all of three, types of the following basic validations. HazLoc for the European economic market. As part of your CE strategy, an RTL listing for North America, with some options depending on end user, i.e. CEX for progressive markets utilizing an international system, and the fourth type of market does not have any concrete requirements. For a product or systems provider who wants to go to international markets, there are synergies to identify and utilize across the three main schemes. If this key strategic step is missed, there may be rework associated later with revisions to design, documentation, construction and manufacturing quality approvals that can be extremely expensive and very time-consuming. For this reason, some manufacturers avoid making EX versions of their products, but if managed correctly it can be a very lucrative opportunity. To obtain certification for your global product or system, you may, or may not, need a third-party involvement to produce certifications. These are: notified body for HazLoc. HazLoc is an element of your overall CE marking program, which is a mandatory legal requirement to sell into the European market. A notified body is also referred to as a NB or NOBO. For IECEX, there is a requirement to use a certifying body, also called ACB. For North America, the third party is called an NRTL, or Nationally Recognized Testing Laboratory. There are a few permutations on the types of product validations these 20 companies can provide. Note: you are free to choose which provider of these services you need, as there are many providers for testing, inspection, and certification. The industry is called TIC, or TIC. Beware: for North America, the NRTL test labs can pick and choose which component certifications they allow to be considered in their particular mark, and this can be a major pitfall if not factored in. The trick here is to engage guidance and support early. This will empower you with a repeatable, fast, and simple path to your market and be 100% prepared for the pitfalls of dealing with third-party certification companies. Ideally, reach out at project ideation to build in technical compliance at the start. You will then be ready to make your EX life much easier, by avoiding pitfalls. Reach out to Radical Ingenuity to connect you with a network of testing, inspection and certification domain experts.
Thanks.